morning students. Today class I am going to start this chapter 7 exercise number 7.1. What is the first question? A point moves along a the chapter is for the differential calculus. Already I taught in the classroom itself for the remaining 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to start exercise number 7.1 only. A point moves along a straight line in such a way that after t seconds its distance from the origin is s equal to 2t square plus 3t meters. A point moving in a straight line. After t seconds, it goes some distance from the origin. What is the origin? That is s equal to 2t square plus 3t meters. First we find the average velocity of the points between t equal to 3 seconds and t equal to 6 seconds. First we are going to find the average velocity between the time what t equal to 3 seconds and t equal to 6 seconds. Find the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3 as usual t equal to 6 seconds. First we find the average velocity for 3 seconds between 3 seconds and 6 seconds. Similarly we find the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 seconds. What is given? So s is equal to, what is given? S is equal to 2t square plus 3t. That is s is nothing but function of t. F of t equal to 2t square plus 3t. First you substitute, instead of t you substitute 3. Substitute 3 means 2 into t square become what? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Similarly 3 3s are 9. We get what? 27. Above f of 3 equal to 27. That is nothing but what? F of a. And f of 6. The s is taken as f of t, function of t. Again first you take the 3 seconds. Again we take the 6 seconds. F of 6 is equal to, instead of t substitute what? 6 square 36. 36 into 2 is what? 72. 3 6 are 18. We get 90. That is f of b. Now what is the average velocity? What is the formula for average velocity? Is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. F of b is what? 90. F of a is what? 27. 90 minus 27 by 6 minus 3 equal to 63 by 3 equal to 21 meter per seconds. This is the average velocity. What is the formula for average velocity? F of b minus f of a by b minus a. Next we are going to find the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity, that the function, the first derivative is nothing but what? Instantaneous velocity. F of t equal to 2t square plus 3t. F dash of t equal to t square. Differentiate it to become 2t. 2t already and 1t, 2, 4t plus 3. T is differentiated to become 1. So f of t is 2t square plus 3t. After differentiation it get what? 4t plus 3. Now substitute f dash of 3. 4 into 3, because instead of t you substitute 3. 4 into 3 plus 3 we get 15. F dash of 6. 4 into 6 plus 3 we get what? 27. Now see the second question. A camera is directly accidentally knocked off an edge of a cliff 400 meter height. The camera falls at a distance of s is equal to 16t square in t seconds. So a camera is fall down from the distance of s equal to 16t square in t seconds. First question we find, how long does the camera fall from it hits the ground? How long does the camera fall down before it hits the ground? How long the time taken? Second one is, what is the average velocity with which the camera falls down the last 2 seconds? Third question, what is the instantaneous velocity of the camera when it hits the ground? First we find when you leave the camera fall down, how much time taken the camera fall down from the cliff. What is the first one? S equal to 16t square. S is equal to 16t square. What is our S? 16t square equal to, the camera is fall down from 400 meter height. So 16t square equal to 400. What is our t square? T square equal to 400 by 16. We simplify, we get 25. That is t square equal to 25 equal to t equal to 5 seconds. What is the first question answer? How long does the camera fall from its ground? The camera fell it in the ground. The time taken is what? T 5 seconds. In 5 seconds the camera fall down from the cliff. Second one asking, what is the average velocity at the last 2 seconds? The last 2 seconds means t equal to 3, t equal to 5. This is the time between t equal to, because 5 minus 3 become 2. Therefore last 2 seconds means t equal to 3, t equal to 5. Therefore first to find f of t. What is f of t? Equal to nothing but what? 16 square t square. So f of 3 substitute 16 into 3 square is 9. 16 into 9 is 144. That is f of a. Again f of 5. 16 into instead of t substitute what 5 square 25. 16 and 25 is what 400. That is keep it as what f of b. What is that? What is the velocity is asking? Average velocity. What is the formula for average velocity? Average velocity equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. For what is our f of b? 400. See here, just now we find f of b and f of a. 400 minus 144 by 5 minus 3, b minus a, 5 minus 3. We get 256 by 2, we get 128 feet per second. What is the average velocity to fall down per seconds? It is 128 feet, it is fall down. Third one is instantaneous velocity. We find the instantaneous velocity. Just first derivative for the f of t. F of t equal to 16t square. What is our f dash of t equal to 32t? F dash of t at t equal to what seconds? What is the question asking? What is the instantaneous velocity of the camera when it hits the ground? If the time taken to hit the ground is 5 seconds, therefore instantaneous velocity at the time taken t equal to 5 means 32 into 5, that is 160 feet per seconds. So from this question we find the first how long it will take the camera strike the ground. So t equal to 5 seconds, we get the first question answer. Second one is we find the what velocity, average velocity. Find f of b minus f of a by b minus a, we get 128 feet per seconds. Third one is what, instantaneous velocity. See the first derivative for f of t. After derivative substitute t equal to 5 seconds because they strike the ground at 5 seconds. Therefore 32 into 5, 160 feet per seconds. Next, third question. A particle moves along a line according to the law. What is the law? S of t equal to 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4. Where t is what? Greater than or equal to 0. 3 subdivision is asking. What is the question? At what time the particle changes its direction? At what time taken time the particle change its position. Next, find the total distance traveled by the particle. First 4 seconds. Find the total distance traveled by the particle in 4 seconds. Third question, find the particle's acceleration in each time the velocity is 0. The velocity becomes 0. What is the particle's acceleration? First we find S. What is S? S is nothing but what? F of t. F of t equal to what is the question itself given? 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4. That is V. V means nothing but what? The instantaneous velocity. F of t is what? Average velocity. If a derivative of the first derivative f of t is a differential, we get the f dash of t. F dash of t is nothing but instantaneous velocity. So if derivative 2 cube, t cube is what? 3t square, 3 2s are 6, 6t square. Similar 2 9s are 18, 18t. 12 into t is different to become 1, 12, 4 is differential constant to become 0. Therefore f dash of t equal to 6t square minus 18t plus 12. F from f of t, first f dash of t. V is nothing but instantaneous velocity. If the velocity is equal to 0 means 6 into take 6 common, t square minus 3t equal to 0. So if you what, t square minus 3t minus, if we are having a quadratic equation, after if we take a linear factor, we get what? T minus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. Sum is minus 3, product is minus 2, we get what? T minus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. That is t equal to 1, t equal to 2. When t less than 1, t less than 1 means that is t is less than 1 means we take t equal to 0.5 means the substitute we get the positive. If a t is lies between 1 and 2 because the time taken is t greater than or equal to 0. So if a t lies between 1 and 2 means t take 1.5. If you substitute the value we get a negative. When t greater than 2, more than 2 means t equal to 3. If you substitute positive. Therefore don't want to say this one. If you for understanding purpose only given this one. So the particle changes its direction between 1 and 2 seconds. From 1 to 2 seconds, the particle changes its direction. Question is asking find the total distance traveled by the particle after 4 seconds. So, first question asking and what time the particle changes the direction means the particle changes the direction between the time taken 1 and 2 seconds. If 1 and 2 seconds, the particle changes its direction. Next, we get the total distance, the distance that traveled after 4 seconds. So, modulus of s of 0 minus s of t, that is 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Because lies between 0 and t is lies between what? What is this? T is less than 1 and t is greater than 2. See the time taken is t lies between 1 and 2. Therefore we take 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So distance traveled after 4 seconds is nothing but what? S of 0 minus S of 1 plus S of 1 minus S of 2 plus S of 2 minus S of 3 plus S of 3 minus S of 4, because we find after 4 seconds. So the particle changes its direction. T lies between 1 and 2 seconds. Second question, what is the question asking? The distance. Find the total distance traveled in the first 4 seconds. First 4 seconds, how much distance it traveled. The distance traveled in 4 seconds is we get the determinant value. Modulus value 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Substitute all the value for S of t. S of t is given in the question itself. We find S of 0, S of 1, S of 2, S of 3. Substitute S of 0, we get minus 4. S of 1 is 1. Substitute the value, get the result. S of 0 equal to minus 4. S of 1 equal to 1. S of 2 equal to 0. S of 3 equal to 5. Find the value for S of 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. Substitute S of t for the given question. That average velocity S of 4 equal to 28. Therefore, total distance traveled in 4 seconds is a substitute the value, you get what? Substitute S of 0, S of 0, S of 1, S of 1, S of 2, S of 2, 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. You substitute all the value, you get what? 34 meter. Next is third one, velocity. We find the velocity ds by dt, that is f dash of t, instantaneous velocity. So ds by dt, that is nothing but what? F dash of t. If you differentiate, we get what? 60 square minus 18t plus 12. So velocity becomes 0 means it become what? T is t square minus 3t plus 2. So someone product we take what? T minus 1 and t minus 2 equal to 0, that is t equal to 1 or 2. Therefore a is nothing but what? Instantaneous velocity dv by dt, or 12t minus 18. Substitute the value, we get what? V is a f dash of t. A is acceleration, is again the velocity f double dash of t. V equal to f dash of t. A equal to f double dash of t. Add next derivative. Second derivative. F dash of t is the first derivative, that is velocity. This is what? Acceleration. So acceleration is what? dv by dt equal to, if you differentiate, 60 square is nothing but 12t minus 18. So a at v velocity equal to 0, t the acceleration at a is what? T equal to 1, t equal to 2. That is the acceleration at the time t equal to 1 means you substitute, instead of t you substitute 1, we get 12 minus 18 minus 16 meter per second square. Now that suppose the acceleration at the time t equal to means 24 minus 18, we get what? 6 meters square. So we find the velocity, instantaneous velocity as well as what? Acceleration. Therefore, if the velocity is 0, then we find the acceleration at t equal to 1, t equal to 2. Now come to the fourth question. What is the fourth question? If the volume of the cube of length x is v equal to x cube, volume v equal to x cube. Find the rate of change of volume. We find the derivative. First derivative, rate of change of volume dv by dt. Rate of change. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x when x is equal to 5 units. What is our v? V equal to, is very simple sum, asking in 1 mark or 2 mark. See, rate of change means we differentiate the volume. V equal to what? X cube. dv by dx is equal to, with respect to x, dv by dx is equal to 3x square. At x is equal to 5 means dv by dx is equal to 3 into, because given x is equal to 5 units. At x is equal to 5, dv by dx is equal to 3 into 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. 25 into 3 is what? 75. 75 units. Next, I come to the fifth question. What is the fifth question? If the mass m of x, first one is asking the cube. Rate of change I'm asking means nothing but we differentiate the volume. Here the mass m of x in kilogram in the thin rod of length x in meter is given by m of x equal to root 3x. Then what is the rate? Here also asking that rate of change of mass with respect to length, it is given what? X is equal to 23, x is equal to 27 meters. Now what is m? The mass m equal to root 3 into x. So we rewrite as what? Root 3 into root x. First we differentiate dm by dx. If root 3 is take common, root x differentiate, it is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. At dv, mass at the length, if the rate of change of mass, dm by dt means rate of change of mass at x is equal to 3 with respect to length when it is x is equal to 3 meter. So rate of change of mass at x is equal to 3 meter means instead of x you substitute 3. Instead of x you substitute 3 means root 3. Root 3 cancelled. 1 by 2 kilogram per meter. Per meter the mass length is changes what? 1 by 2 kilogram. Again dm dm by dx. Dm by dx means what? Rate of change of mass at x is equal to 27. So instead of x is substitute 27. For this question, dm by dx is substitute first 3. Again substitute what? 27. Root 3 into root 3 into 1 by 2 into root 27. Root 27 3 into root 3. Take the cube root 3 into 3 into 3. Or 3 into root 3. After taking the square root, we get 3 into root 3. Root 3 cancel. We get what? 1 by 6 kilogram per meter. What do you understand? The rate of change of mass is nothing but what? Differentiate the given mass. We have given masses, if we differentiate, substitute x is equal to 3, x is equal to 27, we get the result. Very easy sum only. Come to the sixth one. What is the next one? A stone is dropped into a pond, causing a ripples in the form of a concentric circle. In the form, what is meant by concentric circle? Same center but a different radius. Concentric circle is what? Same center but a different radius. So the radius r and the outer ripple is increasing. The outer ripple is increasing at the constant rate is 2 centimeter per second. For per seconds, the radius is what? Radius is changes. The radius of the ripple. The radius or outer ripple is increasing at a constant rate at 2 centimeter per seconds. When the radius is 5 centimeter, the rate of change of total area of the disturbed water. Suppose the radius is 5 centimeter means how much water will be disturbed. What is the concentric circle? Same center but a different radius. Circle, what is the formula for circle? A equal to pi r square. Area of the circle A equal to pi r square. If you differentiate with respect to A, dA by dt equal to pi 2r. 2r into dr by dt with respect to r. Differentiate here dA with differentiate the circle A equal to pi r square. So after different dA by dt equal to pi 2r into dr by dt with respect to r. Next, what is here? R equal to 5 centimeter. How much water disturbed? If the radius is 5 centimeter, means how much water disturbed? So, if R radius equal to 5 centimeter, dr by dt equal to the disturbed water is 2 centimeter per second. So, substitute dA by dt. If R equal to 5 centimeter, disturbed water is what? Dr by dt equal to 2 centimeter per second. So, instead of R, you substitute 5. Dr by dt, you substitute 2. We get what? 2 pi R into dr by dt. So 2 pi into 2 into, instead of r you substitute 5, dr by dt substitute 2. If you multiply, we get the result what? 20 pi square centimeter per seconds. So per seconds, how much water disturbed? That water is disturbed 20 pi square centimeter. Next we come to the seventh question. A pecan makes one revolution for every 10 seconds. A beacon, beacon makes one revolution for every 10 seconds. It is located, the beacon is used in the ship for show the direction. It is located on the ship which is anchored 5 km from a straight shore line. How fast is the beam moving along the shore when it makes an angle 45 degree with the shore? This is what beacon, BSc, that one. Time for one rotation is what? Time for one rotation is what? 10 in 10 seconds it will rotate. The beacon rotate to one revolution. That is time for one rotation is 10 seconds. So the angular velocity is what? D theta by dt. D theta by dt. D theta is nothing but 2 pi because one rotation is 360 degree. 2 pi by 10, that is 5 by 5. Therefore angular velocity is what? D theta by dt equal to 2 pi by 10. You cancel, you get pi by 5. Find the diagram. From the diagram, see the diagram, this is the circle. See, this is what beacon, be a what? X meter. Angle is what? 45 degree. This is what? 5. From the origin to seashore is what? 5 kilometer. So from this diagram, what is x? From the diagram, tan 45 equal to, what is our tan 45? Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 45 equal to opposite side by adjacent, x by 5. Tan 45 is nothing but what? 1. That is x is equal to 5. Therefore again tan theta equal to x by 5. X by 5 means x is equal to 2. X is equal to tan theta. Again first we take tan 45. What is the given angle? Tan 45 means x is equal to 5. General form tan theta equal to x by 5. That is x is equal to 5 into tan theta. Now dx by dt equal to, dx by dt equal to, so if you differentiate this one, dx is differentiate, we get what? Dx with respect to time. Dx by dt equal to 5 into tan theta is differentiate, we get what? Secant square theta into d theta by dt. First we find the, from the given figure we find the tan 45. Tan 45 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So x by 5, that is x is equal to 5. We get the result x value. Again general form, tan theta opposite side by tan theta equal to x by 5. That is x is equal to what? 5 into tan theta. After say differentiate for this equation, differentiate dx by dt with respect to the dx by dt equal to 5 into tan theta differential, we get what? Secant square theta into d theta. Here having the x with respect to t, here what? Theta. So dx by dx at the time, rate of change of time, dx by dt equal to 5 into secant square theta into d theta by dt. 5 into secant square, what is our theta? Theta is nothing but what given? 45 degree. So secant square 45 degree into, what is our tan theta value? Tan theta is nothing but what we find, tan theta equal to x by 5. So what is our x? Already find what? 5. Substitute all the value. So 5 into tan square 45 into what? Pi by 5. Now 5 into what is our tan square 45? Tan 45 is what? Secant square 45. Secant is what? Cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant 45 is what? Root 2. That is root 2 the whole square into pi by 5. How come 5 into secant square theta into d theta by dt? 5 is secant square. What is our theta? Theta is what? 45 degree. D theta by dt. What already find? D theta by dt is nothing but what? Pi by 5. Substitute all the result here. We get the answer. So 5 into, so root 2 the whole square into pi by 5. 5 cancel. We get what? Root 2 the whole square into 5. That is 2 pi kilometer per seconds. Kilometer per seconds. So next sum I continue in the next video.